This video will show you how monster damage works, how the monster deals damage to a target, and how it receives damage from others. The first thing to understand is that the monster uses the base damage value from its selected ability when dealing damage to a player. The monster uses this value to apply damage during specific frames of the attack animation. This helps prevent unwanted or accidental damage. To define which frames deal damage, open the attack animation. In the timeline, right-click and add a notify state called MTK Anim Attack State. As you can see, the notify state has a start and an end point. You need to move them to the desired frames where the damage should be applied. And there we go. The monster will now apply damage if it hits the target during this attack animation. For receiving damage from others, the monster system assumes your game already has a method for applying damage to other actors, such as from the main character, a weapon, or a bullet. For example, like this. The monster system automatically detects point damage, so there's nothing you need to set up manually for this. If you open the main class, Monster NPC, and go to the Getting Damage and Death section, you'll see that the system uses point damage by default. However, if your game uses any damage events instead, you can connect that in place of the point damage node.